Immaculate 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche is one-owner truck with a clean Carfax and 34,000 miles. LT2 edition with Z71 Package. Powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive, providing a very smooth ride even in the toughest of conditions. This beautiful crew cab Avalanche has leather interior with a rear DVD entertainment system as well as navigational system for your directional assistance. Towing package and bed liner already installed. Joe Holland Signature Series truck in excellent condition for your peace of mind. We want nothing more than for you to have a smooth and stress-free buying experience, so please call our internet department today. We'll do our best to make your process easy. 1-800-749-6390